Do you face such kind of issue at your home? Example, tile slippage, grout cracking, tile discoloration, and tile of lifting. So we came up with a product called Upgrade Smart Tile Adhesive. Application process. Prepare the surface. Ensure that the surface is clean, dry, and free of any dust or debris. Mix the adhesive with following given guidelines. Make sure that you mix it thoroughly to avoid any lumps or inconsistencies. Apply the adhesive. Make sure to apply it evenly and consistently, and keep the thickness uniform. Work in small sections to avoid the adhesive drying out. Lay the tile. Carefully place the tile onto the adhesive, pressing it firmly into place, and later leave the tile to dry.